questions for both Danny and Angel. First off, with Angel, what'd you make overall of how the fight unfolded, and what do you think was the key for Errol to get the decision in terms of adjustments you guys couldn't make in there?
Well, it was up to Danny. He had to let his hands go. You know, you can't force it. You can tell them what to do. That doesn't mean they're going to do it. You can have a plan. And Danny should have got busier. We learned, like I said before, that was the pass he brought him back. That was happening in the other fight. He wasn't busy enough. That's the only thing he did. He took the shots well. He dipped and slipped, but he didn't counter. If he would have did a little more countering when he was dipping and slipping, that was the game plan. He took shots well. You know, he gave him back. He hurt one time. I thought he hurt Spence a little bit. In one round, he didn't drop enough, but, you know, he hurt him. I seen him buckle a little bit. But then he let him get back into the fight. And then Spence was stealing the rounds, too. He would get busy at like a minute into the fight. And, you know, there a minute left on the fight, on the rounds. What he could have did better was that, get busier. But this is all about punching, man. It's about landing. It's not about looking pretty, slipping and dipping. You got to counter that. You can't slip and dip, don't counter. The judges don't give you points for that. You win round by landing. You have to land punching. And that's what Danny did tonight. He didn't land enough. If he would have did what he did in the 12, the last round, the last couple seconds of the last round, that was the fight he was supposed to give him. You see how he held, he was strong, but he just didn't let his hands go.
Danny, what was so tricky about Errol's jab?
It was, he has good reach. It's a strong jab, and it has good timing, and he knows when to throw it. He knows when to step to you. So I think that was the key to the fight, to be honest. He had a good jab. He used it well. I was trying to get around it to land some body shots, try to use my own jab. And
he was getting around it.
Yeah,
he just had a counter. You did well. He didn't hit you with jabs like that.
No, I'm just saying.
You making it say he killed you with a jab.
No, I'm just saying that was the key.
He didn't kill you with that jab. You just didn't counter the jab. You seen everything. You seen everything, man. Stop saying it.
Next question.